I wasn't going to wake her up every 3 hours.
Oh, what was that?
Even though I knew I was supposed to.
What was that? Oh, go. Oh. Oh, you ate too much.
She didn't eat enough.
But she's hiccuping a lot.